Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Breezy movie app on iPhone. As you can see, I am on the App Store, and once you go to the App Store, just search here like Breezy. And if you're not able to see the Breezy, first of all check. And if you're not able to see the Breezy app, just cancel and click on your profile icon on the upper side corner and go to the profile. And once you reach in the profile section, it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it and enter the password of your Apple ID or account. And once you enter the password, just click on sign in and it will again take a few seconds to load. So let it load completely. And once you are here, just click on the country and region. As you can see, my country, just click on country and region and click on change country or region. And once you click here, just choose these two countries. The one is United Kingdom and the second one is Pakistan. So choose these two countries. So for this time, let's say I go with the Pakistan, or you can choose like United Kingdom. So find the country, United Kingdom, select it, and after that you need to fill all the details, agree, and fill all the rest of the details. You can take all the details, click on none, change the country to the UK, and once you change the country successfully, go back, restart the App Store. And once you restart the App Store, just again search Breezy and you will be able to find this app easily. So that is how you can download Breezy app on iPhone.